Pleasant morning, children. Let us study about the lesson The King's Minister. Do you know the difference between wild animal and domestic animal? Yes, animals that live in jungles or forest or in nature and hunt their own food and water are called wild animals. We can find wild animals in the zoo as well. Animals like lion, deer, tiger, elephant are wild animals. Domestic animals such as dogs, cats, and cattle have been genetically adapted over generations to live alongside humans. Those are called domestic animals. But children, for that, now we will do one fun activity about them wild animals and domestic animal. Now it is the fun activity to you children. Now I will say the name of some domestic animals and the wild animals. If it is domestic animal, clap once. If it is the wild animal, clap twice. Got it children? Shall I start? Yes, here this is domestic animal. If it is domestic animal, clap once. If it is wild animal, clap twice. Here, for example, first one, cow. You clap once. Very good. Then, tiger. Here, tiger. Clap twice. How? Here, observe. Here, clap once. For the wild animal, clap twice like this. Okay. Next is, observe here, sheep. Good, sheep. Clap once. Very good. This is domestic. Lion. Yes, lions are here. This is the king of the forest. Now we will move to the about the king of the forest, about the lion in this chapter. Goat. Very good. If you clap once, very good, nice. Elephant. It is wild animal. Clap twice. Very good children. Now we will move to the lesson. The king's minister. The king's minister. Here children, there was a lion who was the king of the forest. Who was the king of the forest. He was fierce and strong. He was fierce and strong. A king must have ministered to help him, the lion thought one day, and he called a fox. Here, the word fierce and strong. Fierce means ferocious. Ferocious means ugra or awful. Awful. Fierce means awful. Bhayanaka. The lion was a fierce and awful. Ugravadu, Bhayanakadu. It is very cruel and strong. A king must have ministered to help him because it is the king of the forest. He thought. Think is the present tense, thought is the past tense. The lion thought one day, he called a fox. Called. You are known to be very wise and clever. Observe, wise and clever. Wise means foreseeing. Foreseeing means viveka ulla, duradrushti ulla, wise. And clever. Clever means skillful. Clever means skillful, chatura. In buddhivanta, chatura anteli. I want to be home minister. As a home minister, I will make you, like the lion told to fox. For that, I thank you for this honor, Your Majesty. The fox, the wise fox, replied to that, I thank you for your esteem, either glory. That is, honor means what you show the honor honor means esteem or glory. Here children, observe, this is lion, here it is a fox. Here that fox replied to the king's question, and then he grateful to the king with, I thank you for this honor. Honor means esteem. Gaurava. Esteem means Gaurava. Either glory. Esteem means glory. Your Majesty, yes, we should use this type of word to king, either the judge of the court. Your Majesty, we use it. That is means honor. That is also glory. Avarana ghanate to gaurava. That is called. The fox said that. Then the king called a leopard. Called the leopard. Either we call the cheetah. That is called leopard. Leopard, and said, you are known to be very alert and swift-footed. Here red colored words are difficult words, children. Will show the meaning of those words. Okay. The king called the leopard and said, you are known to be very alert. Always you are the alert and swift-footed. Swift-footed means fast in walking and running. Fast in walking and running, that is called swift-footed. You will be my defense minister. You know, the different kinds of ministers are there in our government. Alright children, here defense minister means, what is the work of the defense minister? That the work of the defense minister, it always gives the security related works to him. That is called security matters to the defense ministers. For that, the leopard replied to that, thank you, Your Majesty, said the leopard. The leopard said to that, here the pictures of lion and the leopard. Observe the picture, children. Here how the leopard running, that is called very swift-footed. Means always very alert, and swift-footed means run very fastly. Fast in walking and running, that is called swift-footed. The next to be was crow. You can fly high in the sky, so he will be my minister for external affairs. Minister for external affairs. Do you know the work of the minister for external affairs? External affairs means Videshanga Mantri. This minister, relation between to the country, one country to the another country, that is related between to the one country to another country. He leads with the international community. But in this lesson, what is the work of the external affairs minister? Because it can fly high in the sky. For that, where the prey means food is there. Where the food is there. For that, the crow adopted as selected as external affair minister. For that crow also shows the gratefulness. I am grateful to you, Your Majesty, said the crow. The three ministers swore to remain loyal. Swore, here the swore means promised something very seriously. All the three ministers swore. Swore means swear. We use it as a swear. It is the present tense. Swore means ಆಣೆ ಪ್ರಮಾಣವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದು. Promised something very seriously for that. To remain loyal to the king, and the lion in return promised to give them to food and protection. Here also the king said, and here it is a crow. Why? Here the crow fly high in the sky. For that, the fox made as a external affair minister to this crow. That is, children. Then, when the lion went hunting, they helped him to find the prey. Here, the external affairs minister first find out the prey. After having his fill means here ವೆನ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಸ್ ಹಿ ಕುಡ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗುತ್ತೋ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಊಟ ಅವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಿಲ್, ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್, ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಫುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಈ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಫುಲ್. ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಹಿ ಕುಡ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟು ತಿಂದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಹೀ ವುಡ್ ಲೀವ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್, ಉಳಿದದ್ದನ್ನು ಅವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಇಡ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. Thus they always had enough to eat. After that all the three ministers had the dinner, either breakfast, likewise take the food. One day the crow said to the king, "Your Majesty, have you ever eaten camel meat?" Asked a question to the lion. It is very tasty. The lion had never seen a camel, but he liked the idea of tasting camel meat. Here the crow, observe, this is called prey. Prey means the lion hunting those type of food, that is called animal or birds hunted for their food, that is called prey. Not P-R-A-Y. Prey means prarthane. This is P-R-E-Y. Got it, children? P-R-E-Y. Prey means the eating the animals or the birds hunted for their food. Hunted the ಬೇಟೆಯಾಡುವುದು, ಅವುಗಳ ಆಹಾರವನ್ನು ಬೇಟೆಯಾಡೋದು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರೇ. ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೇ ಇಸ್ ದೇ P-R-A-Y. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ P-R-E-Y. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ camel. One day the crow said to the king, "Your Majesty, have you ever eaten to camel meat? It is very tasty." The lion had never seen a camel, but he liked the idea of tasting camel meat. "Where can we get a camel?" the king asked. "Where can we get a camel?" asked the king asked to them. "I have seen a lone camel." I have seen a lone camel. Lone means without companion. ಜೊತೆಗಾರನಿಲ್ಲದ, ಆತನ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲೋನ್ಲಿ, ಏಕಾಂಗಿಯಾಗಿರುವ. I have seen a lone camel in a desert. In a desert. Desert means Amarubhumi, where we can see the land, everywhere we observe the sand, that is called the desert. In the desert, the ship is called the camel is called a ship of desert. Got it, children? Then, but he liked the idea of tasting. Then camel in a desert, it looked very fat and big, said the crow. It is looked very fat and big, said the crow. Then the next morning, the lion and his three ministers set off for the desert. Set off for the desert means begin a journey to the desert. They had to travel for miles together. They travel. At last they reached the desert. The hot sand of the desert burned the lion's paws. Here it is, here the lion walking in the desert, the travel in the desert. It is set off the journey to the desert. The ear paws means, observe here the picture. Paws means the foot of an animal that has claws or nails, that is called the paws. "Stop!" roared the lion. Lion roared, "Stop! Let's go back to the forest. I don't care for camel meat." The three ministers didn't want to lose this opportunity of enjoying camel meat. ಒಂಟೆ ಮಾಂಸಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ, the camel meat, for that these three ministers didn't want to lose this opportunity of enjoying to eat the camel meat, but they could eat it only after the lion had killed the camel. For that, here all the three members are the then, but all the three members were very sad. Then, now we will move to difficult words, children. Here New words and their meanings. Already swift footed, fast in walking and running. The leopard has the swift footed animal called as swift footed animal. Swore means promise. Promised something very seriously, that is called swore. We use it swear, promise, like that. Prey, prey. Prey means animal or bird hunted for food, that is called prey. Another one prey is there, pray, prarthane. We worshipping, that is called pray. Having his fill, eating as much as he could, that is called having his fill. Lone, without companion, jotegaran illada. Lone, that is without companion. Next, set off, begin a journey, that is called set off. They set off for the desert. All the three ministers and the lion set off for the journey to the set off for the desert, that is called set off. Begin a journey to the set off. Pause, lions pause. Already the lions paws are burnt. Here the burnt the lions paws. The foot of an animal that has claws or nails, that is called paws. Here some questions are here, children. Answer the following questions. Who was the king of the forest? Here three options are there. One is elephant, second one is lion, third one is tiger. Which is your answer? Let us check it out. Yes, the lion is right answer. Who did the lion make his home minister? Either leopard, fox or crow? Yes, the fox. Fox is right answer. Who did the lion make his defense minister? Who is the defense minister? Fox, crow or leopard? The answer is yes, leopard. Leopard is the defense minister. Why did the lion make crow as minister for external affairs? Swift footed, clever, fly high in the sky. Yes, your guess is right. Fly high in the sky. The crow can fly high in the sky. Got it, children? Very good. Thank you so much for watching.